Saving money consistently, building income sources, how money really works. Most people work their entire lives without ever achieving financial freedom. They depend on salary and remain trapped in the same cycle. Financial freedom begins when you understand how money really works. It starts with changing your financial mindset. You must understand where your money goes every month. Controlling unnecessary spending is a powerful first step. Increasing your income is equally important. Learning valuable skills increases your earning potential. Saving money consistently builds financial stability. Savings create protection against financial emergencies. Planning your financial future gives you control. Building income sources changes your financial direction. Multiple income sources create financial security. Financial discipline is essential for long-term success. Financial freedom gives you independence. You gain control over your time and life. Financial freedom removes constant financial stress. It creates long-term peace and stability. Financial freedom is possible for those who take action.